What is Brassica campestris? In today's lecture, we will discuss it in details. Brassica campestris is a flowering plant in the Brassicaceae family, native to Europe, Western Asia, and parts of North Africa. It grows up to 80 centimeters tall and has bright yellow flowers with 4 petals. The leaves are green, lobed, and can vary in shape. Brassica campestris is cultivated for its seeds, leaves, and roots. The seeds are used to produce canola oil, known for its low saturated fat content and high levels of healthy monounsaturated fats. The leaves and tender shoots are edible and used in salads or cooked dishes. Some varieties are grown as fodder crops for livestock. Canola oil, derived from Brassica campestris seeds, is widely used for cooking, as a source of biofuel, and in various industrial applications. The oil cake left after oil extraction is used as animal feed due to its high protein content. Canola oil from Brassica campestris seeds is rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids, making it valuable in a balanced diet. Brassica campestris is known for its ability to absorb excess nutrients from the soil, improving soil fertility. Its cultivation is recognized for its potential role in sustainable agriculture due to its relatively low water and fertilizer requirements. Brassica campestris encompasses various cultivars and subspecies adapted to different climates and growing conditions, resulting in a wide range of varieties with distinct characteristics. Overall, Brassica campestris is an agriculturally and economically important plant species. It contributes to the production of canola oil, sustainable agricultural practices, and dietary diversity.